Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be going over how to find out where the bottom of the Bitcoin price is going to be for this cycle. As we can see, this pattern is very similar. This is the last cycle. This last cycle's pattern is very similar to this pattern that's playing out right now. I'll tell you about it. We got this from the low, this cup right here, and then boom, we got the same cup right here. A little bit later after the cup, we have this really sharp dip right here. Boom, really sharp dip right here in this area. And then we come out of that dip and we go sideways for a little bit right here. Go sideways for a little bit. And then we Bart Simpson. We have the Bart Simpson pattern. The Bart Simpson pattern is the Bart Simpson head. It's straight up, goes sideways, and it goes straight back down. Right here, boom. We got the Bart Simpson right here. And then right here, after the Bart Simpson, we go up, and then we have this little sideways here. We have this little sideways section right here. And this sideways section correlates with the bear market low, upside down cup from right here. It correlates with that. And even more proof, we go up from this little section right here, this little sideways section. We go up, and then we do this sideways, downward kind of thing, right? And then boom, right here, even though it's like kind of extended, we have this upwards, and then boom, sideways here. And then after that sideways, this sideways, right here, we go up here, and then we have this kind of Bart Simpson thing, but not really. It just goes up and then down. And then boom, up and then down right here. After the sideways parts right here, it goes up and then down. And then after that, it goes up again. New all-time high. New all-time high. After that, up and down right here. New all-time high. And then this all-time high marks the end of the bull market. And we start going down. Then we start going down here. It goes down, up, and then down. Right? And then it goes down, up, and then down, up, and then down, right? It goes down, up, and then down, up, and then down. I think we are right here right now, right? According to this, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Alright, we're close to the bottom at least. But here's how we're going to find the price target. We know that this cup correlates, this was the previous bottom. This correlates with this little sideways section, and I think that is this sideways section right here. I think we are going to go below into these two lines right here. We're going to go into between these two lines. This is where a high probability buying zone. This is where I will be buying. I'll be buying between 48,000 and 38,000. Now you might be saying, well, that's nice, but when is that going to happen? I know it's going to go in between these two prices, but when will it occur? What we can do is, so my theory is that these cups indicate when the low is going to happen, and they will always be evenly spaced apart. So as we can see, this cup bottom right here, from cup to cup, boom, right here. 1,436 days from cup bottom to cup bottom. We copy and paste that over to here. Cup bottom is going to occur on this date. Let's see. October 26th. Oh, I know. October 28th. The Wednesday, October 28th, 2026. That is when the cup bottom will occur. We'll be in cup zone. Before that, we will be in the zone between these two before that cup even occurs. But the cup drop, exact bottom, will most likely be October 28th. And this actually correlates with what I think is going to happen, because I've been seeing a lot of people saying October, beginning of October, is going to be when the cup will occur. Not the cup, but just the bottom will occur. everyone's saying, all the sentiment on X.com is saying, oh, you know, the bear market low is going to happen in October because, as we can see here, low in November, right here, low in November, right here, low in December. If we go off that thing, December, it was December, then it's November. The next one's going to happen in October. So they're thinking, oh, October is around right here. It's going to happen here, right? It's going to chop around probably around here. And then you say, oh, October I'm buying. And then boom, flushed out. The start of the cup is going to be end of October. And then you say, oh, but then that whole cup is just starting. And it's going to go on for the entirety of November. So people are going to lose hope and say, oh, I bought Bitcoin, I'm just going to sell it. I think it's going to go even lower. It's going to go probably to 30,000. But little do they know, it's not. It will never break out of this. So what's going to actually happen is we will get that cup start October 28th. And that is when I'll be buying. I'll be buying in this zone mostly. And I'll probably wait for the cup. But if it's in this zone, I don't see any reason why someone wouldn't buy here. I'm going to be buying on that. This is not financial advice. And let's see. So we got this time zone here. But you know what's also weird? This time here, from top to top, is also the same. Top to top. Well, it's around like 5 days off, but you get it. It's really crazy how no one is. I don't see anyone talking about this. How it's like evenly spaced, the cups and the tops. So if this entire pattern is gonna play out again, which it looks like it is playing out, as you can see, the Bart Simpsons, the cups at the start, this sideways portion, this one's like extended because it was all-time high before the halving, so they had to extend it out. This section right here, but it might have been extended, but these lengths are the same, top to top are the same, and I think that cup to cup is going to be the same again. So that's how I'm gonna do my trade. That's how I'm gonna buy. What I'm gonna do. October 28th, gonna wait for that time. Sentiment is gonna be absolutely destroyed because everyone thinks the bottom is gonna be on October. The bottom is gonna be on October, but in the end of October, and it's gonna roll into November. So that's what I think is gonna happen. That's how I'm gonna do my trading. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.